a man who is behind a powerful woman, or maybe Manikarnika also. Doing Durgavati was different, of course, different from the roles which I've done in Hindi. I told you, strong, level-headed, and he's on a mission. That will excite me, that will push me to act better, push me to do something new. Physically, that was very challenging because I played a Naga sannyasi out there. I think Vidya is like family. She's too sweet.
वर्क फॉरवर्ड के जमाने में ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे सारे मूवीज के लॉन्चेस हो या फिर उनके प्रेस कॉन्स हो, वो आ गए हैं क्लियरली हमारे यहाँ पे, यानी कि हमारे डिजिटल दुनिया में। और आज हमारी इस डिजिटल दुनिया में एक और ऐसे खास मेहमान हैं जो रखने वाले हैं कदम। वेल, हम बात करें जेशु की, जिनको आपने देखा था शकुंतला देवी में उनके हस्बैंड का रोल निभाते हुए। वेल, फिलहाल वो लौट के आ रहे हैं अमेज़न के साथ अपनी एक नई मूवी के साथ। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं दुर्गात्मा की, और जहाँ पे ये नजर आएंगे एक आईपीएस ऑफिसर का किरदार निभाते हुए। तो आज हम जानेंगे इनसे इनके किरदार के बारे में बहुत कुछ, इनकी जर्नी के बारे में बहुत कुछ, और करेंगे बहुत सारी गपशप इनकी लाइफ के बारे में। तो चलिए मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ करते हैं स्वागत जेशु का, और जानते हैं दुर्गात्मा के बारे में और बहुत सारी खास बातों के बारे में। I said for the audience, it's your new out of the box character that they would love to know about more.
Okay, I'm playing SCP Abhay Singh, who's a strong, level-headed guy. But इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ कह नहीं पाऊँगा because if I say, because it's a horror thriller film, and if I say a line, I'm going to give away the story, which I don't want to. For that, you have to wait till 11th of December for the film to release on Amazon Prime. So yeah, he's a SCP, very strong, but level-headed guy, and he's on a mission basically.
But then if I talk about your character, what do you think were like the most difficult pointers that you had to work upon while you were actually in the film, when you were doing that character? सबसे मुश्किल क्या था आपके लिए?
Look, I am an actor who doesn't prepare himself before the film starts filming. For me, the set, the environment, the co-actors matters to me a lot, and I'm a very spontaneous actor. So, if you talk about difficulties, if you look at it, so then the entire process is difficult. But if you take it easily, if you take it calmly, I would say, it's easy for you. So why make it difficult? Why think it's difficult? So I take it in a very easy. Yes, I get stressed out. I get अंदर बहुत कुछ चलता रहता है when I'm giving my shot. But that's about it. But nothing much. I don't push myself to act. It has to come naturally. What was your first opinion when you were briefed about your character? I thought I need to do this film. That was my first reaction. So when they told me, when Ashok Ji told me about the character, Ashok Ji is the director of the film. So when he narrated me the entire film, and he said that I want you to do this role, and I said, sir, karte hain sir. I've played a lot of police characters in films. But not SCP who is so strong and level-headed, and his basically he also wants a revenge. So सब मिला के it was a very exciting character for me. So that was one of the major reasons why I did this film.
After Shakuntala Devi, people who saw you in Shakuntala Devi were like legit fan of your work. So what do you think कि जब वो आपका ये character देखेंगे, how different will they see you in this role, and what do you think will be their response?
A1 is 22 years back. I don't know you know of me or not. I'm from Bengal, and I've done, this is probably, Durgamati would be probably my 99th or 100th film of my career. Yeah, so I've been doing in my career, I've been doing different kind of roles. So yes, in Hindi I've not done much. I've done, I think around 7-8 films or maybe 10 films. I don't know. I don't remember. But I do remember. But around 8 to 10 films which I've done, which are probably similar kind. I would say a man behind a woman, basically. If you talk about Mardani, if you talk about Shakuntala Devi, if you talk about Piku, I won't say I was behind Deepika, but I was associate of Deepika. So yes, I've been doing films which is mostly, a man who is behind a powerful woman, or maybe Manikarnika also. Doing Durgavati was different, of course, different from the roles which I've done in Hindi. So yes, I think my audience is going to see a new Jishu out here in this film.
Any three words or any three adjectives that you would want to use to define your character would be?
I told you, strong, level-headed, and he's on a mission.
It's not that you've done one, you've done a lot, as you just mentioned. Would you say that you've done your dream role, or you still are yet to do your dream role?
Yet to do my dream role.
And what would that be?
I don't know. I really don't know, because I chase content, and I am a seeker of good roles, and I've done it all. I'm a part of around 23 national award winning films, and my films have traveled all over the world. Yes, I've done a lot of good cinemas, if I talk about. But at the same time, after every film gets over and it's been awarded, and I've received so many awards in my life, उसके बाद लगता है ये तो हो गया, अब क्या? अभी कुछ चाहिए that will excite me, and that will push me to act better, push me to do something new. So I don't know. So it's yet to come. I believe that the day I am satisfied with the role, I'm done. I'm finished.
आपको क्या लगता है आपका फेवरेट अभी तक का रोल कौन सा है, और ऐसा कौन सा किरदार था जो प्ले करना सबसे मुश्किल रहा है आपके लिए आपकी जर्नी में?
All the films which I've done with Rituparna Ghosh, the 6 films which I've done with him, are favorites. I can't just pick and choose one. There's a film called Chitrangada. I played a bisexual character out there. That was a little difficult for me. And also I would say there's a film called Ekje Chilo Raja, which released a couple of years back in Bengal. It was directed by Srijit Mukherjee. Physically, that was very challenging, because I played a Naga sannyasi out there, almost wearing nothing, and shot in -5. And in January, I have to, at 5 a.m., I had to have a bath in Ganga. So those are the things which I had to do for Ekje Chilo Raja. Yes, these are the 2 films which was mentally and physically very challenging.
बॉलीवुड सिनेमा की बात करूं तो अभी तक आप कौन सी co-star को कहेंगे that she has been one of the most cooperative, or maybe one of the best co-stars that you've ever come across?
Vidya Balan. She's a sweetheart, sweetest heart, I would say, and she's a dear friend of mine, and we are in touch off and on, and I think Vidya is like family. She's too sweet.
Who is that one director who has been the most difficult to please while in context of work?
I don't know, actually. There are different directors have got different needs, different wants. There are a lot of directors I've worked with who pushes you. I wouldn't say it's difficult to work with, but they push you to get your get the best out of you. So I would say Rituparna Ghosh. I would say Srijit Mukherjee. I've worked with I think around 7 films with him. He pushes you a lot.
When audience would see this character, maybe this film, what do you think will be the USP and the takeaway that they're going to take back home?
People who are thinking that ये तो हम लोग देख चुके हैं, भागमती बोल के एक पिक्चर आ चुका है, and तेलुगु में हम लोग देख चुके हैं, they are wrong. This Durgavati is different. I won't say it is entirely different. Yes, it's a remake of that film, but there are little changes and little tweaks which will make the film even better than Bhagmati.
Perfect. And last thing that I want to know is 2020 khatam ho raha hai, and we are just about to enter 2021. I hope it's better than 2020. But what are your plans ahead?
To be very honest, ma'am, I never planned my life. I don't know. There's no planning. जब भी प्लान करता हूँ कुछ ना कुछ गलत हो जाता है, तो इसलिए प्लानिंग करना ही छोड़ दिया है. So I think it's best that we'll take life as it comes, and 2020 especially, जितना जल्दी जाए उतना ही अच्छा है सबके लिए, and because it has taken everything from a lot of people, and so they need to get back on their feet in 2021. So जितना जल्दी आए उतना ही अच्छा है.
Indeed. Any parting words that you want to tell your fans? Any message that you want to give them?
Uh, just keep loving me, keep supporting me, and watch Durgamati. It's releasing on Amazon Prime on 11th of December, and share your love. That's all.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you, and I wish you all the luck for the projects ahead that you take ahead.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Well, thank you so much, guys. That was Jayshree for you, and this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. You stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates for the Tele world.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.